welcome back to Country Views. I have another great recipe for you guys today. It is my tostadas with the twist. So let's get started. All right guys, so here we go. I am recording by myself again today, so I tried to set up where you guys can see here. What you want to start with is you either want to get the pre-made flat tostada corn tortilla shells, or you can get the kind that you fry in some oil. I'm kind of in a hurry today, so I'm using these. So that is your first part. You're more than welcome to heat it up in the microwave first if you want a little more crispy crunch. But since I'm in a hurry, I'm just gonna put everything together. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take you out one. They look like this. And also too, you can fry them up like this. If you get the corn tortillas that aren't fried, you can fry them in some oil and get them crispy like this. Your next step is gonna be some whipped cream cheese. I just get the Great Value brand. There again, you guys know I'm fond of Great Value. And what you wanna do is take a scoop like this, about a heaping teaspoon. Take your shell and put it right on your shell. Smear it around like this. You always want to do this first just because it's easier to smear without everything else on it. So that's about how much you want on there. Now your next step is going to be your refried beans. All right, so I already have them heated up in a bowl here with the tablespoon of sour cream mixed in them to give them that creamy taste. I got the spicy Great Value brand, but there again, you guys can use any brand as long as it is your refried beans. And you're going to put about 2 tablespoons. Now, if you're not big on beans, you can put meat. Heck, I've even made barbecue pulled pork and put it on here. So it's gonna look like that. Now your next step is gonna be your sour cream. And I'm just gonna use my cream cheese spoon. It's just me here today. All right. And you're just gonna kind of just swirl it around, about a teaspoon. Guess it'd be easier to pick it up here. Kind of just give it a swirl. Now your beans already have sour cream in it, so you don't need more than a teaspoon. All right? Unless you're a sour cream lover, then you can put more than a teaspoon. Okay? Now your next step is going to be your cheese. I have the Sargento. This was on sale this week, so I got this. It is the 4-state cheddar blend. It is amazing, guys. You have to try it. It's like one of my favorites, so every chance I get when it's on sale, I use it. So now you just want to put some of that right on top of your tostada. You can make it how cheesy you want it or how little cheese you want. It just, whatever's comfortable for your guys' home. Now your next step is going to be your lettuce. I have some chopped lettuce and some chopped up jalapenos. I did not de-seed them because we like them with seeds. So you just want to put some of your lettuce on here. And some of your jalapenos. Now your next step is use any hot sauce of choice. Sorry guys. This is what we have today. It is Hell's Kitchen. It's pretty good. It is spicy, so beware, but if you like spicy, then this is the one to use. So you just put a couple dollops of that. Then I have the Hernandez salsa verde, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that. All right. Now I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. This is what your tostada is going to look like. See if I get a better view for you guys. You guys want to bite? I know you do. Before we go into a taste test, I want to say thank you for the newcomers liking and subscribing. If you're new to the channel, new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Country Views Juniors. So let's get to the taste test. All right, guys, so now we are going to do a taste test of the tostada. So here we go. You guys gotta try it. This is amazing. Very good. I gotta have another bite. This is so good, you guys. Your family will love it. You can get your kids in the kitchen with you and they can make their own tostada. You can do assembly line, anything. It's so good. But on that note, I'm gonna finish this yummy tostada and hope to see you guys visit this channel again. And me and my family love you. Bye.